Okay. Hey. Go ahead, Paul. Sit up.
Hey.
Hey, Paul.
Look over here. Hey, Paul.
He'll do it.
Whoa! Hey. Hey, Paul. Come here. Come on. What's over there?
Uh-oh. Don't spit up. Oh, no.
He's turning his head to puke. He wants us to see it. Bring your bear. He's going on vacation. See ya. Have a nice trip.
Okay, wait a second.
Ooh. Trying to get his bear. Stay put, you.
Determined to sit up. That's the first time I ever let go of him while he's sitting up. But he's mostly supporting himself. Are you almost ready to do that?
Alright. Go on vacation again, Paul. See ya. I'll see you later.